Driving in 2025 is more advanced and more demanding than ever. Whether you're a daily commuter, a long-distance traveler, or someone who just wants a safer, smarter, and more comfortable ride, the right car gadgets can completely transform your driving experience. Today, we're exploring the top must-have accessories every driver should consider this year. These gadgets don't just add convenience, they enhance safety, reduce stress, and keep your vehicle running at its best. So if you're ready to upgrade your car and your journeys, make sure to watch till the end and hit the subscribe button for more tech guides. Number 12. Seat organizers and comfort accessories. Finally, comfort and convenience accessories make every drive more enjoyable. Seat organizers help keep essentials like phones, chargers, water bottles, and documents within reach, reducing clutter in the car. Cushioned seat pads, lumbar support devices, and steering wheel covers can prevent fatigue on long drives. Modern cars may come with heated or ventilated seats, but aftermarket accessories can provide similar benefits for older vehicles. For parents or rideshare drivers, organizers and comfort gadgets are invaluable for keeping passengers happy and the cabin tidy. Number 11. Advanced navigation and HUD systems. Navigation has come a long way from paper maps and basic GPS units. Modern car gadgets include advanced GPS systems and HUDs that integrate real-time traffic updates, lane guidance, and weather alerts. Some devices also provide augmented reality overlays, showing navigation directions directly on the windshield or a small dashboard display. These systems reduce the need to glance at a phone or tablet while driving, keeping attention on the road. Integration with smartphones and smart assistants allows for voice control, route optimization, and hazard warnings. Advanced navigation systems are indispensable for daily commuters, road trippers, and anyone driving in unfamiliar cities. Number 10. Dash-mounted air purifiers. Clean air inside the car is often overlooked, but it is essential for comfort and health, especially in urban areas with high pollution. Dash-mounted air purifiers filter out dust, pollen, smoke, and other airborne particles, improving air quality inside the cabin. Many modern purifiers are compact, USB-powered, and operate quietly without disturbing passengers. Some models include ionizers or aromatherapy features for added comfort. In 2025, as air pollution becomes a growing concern, having a small, effective air purifier in your car is a smart investment for daily commuters, families, and long-distance travelers. Number 9. Bluetooth hands-free kits. Hands-free communication is not just convenient, it's a safety requirement in many countries. Bluetooth hands-free kits allow drivers to make and receive calls without touching their phones. Many modern kits integrate with voice assistants, letting drivers send messages, check navigation, or control music simply by speaking. Some devices also offer high-quality audio for both calls and media playback, ensuring clarity even on noisy highways. By keeping the driver's hands on the wheel and eyes on the road, Bluetooth hands-free kits reduce distractions and improve overall safety. These gadgets are particularly useful for business professionals, delivery drivers, and anyone who spends long hours driving. Number 8. Emergency roadside kits. No gadget list is complete without safety-focused accessories, and emergency roadside kits are essential for every driver. These kits typically include jumper cables, tire repair tools, flashlights, first aid supplies, and reflective warning signs. Modern kits in 2025 may also include portable power banks, tire inflators, and compact multi-tools. Having a well-stocked emergency kit can make the difference between being stranded for hours and getting back on the road quickly. Roadside emergencies can happen to anyone, and these kits provide peace of mind, ensuring that drivers are prepared for unexpected situations. Number 7. Smart car adapters. Smart car adapters transform older vehicles into connected cars. These devices plug into the car's OBD2 port and connect to a smartphone app to provide real-time diagnostics, fuel efficiency tracking, and driving behavior reports. They can detect engine issues, battery health, or maintenance needs, giving drivers a heads up before small problems become serious. Some smart adapters also integrate GPS tracking, allowing users to locate their vehicle or monitor its location remotely. For parents, fleet operators, or anyone who wants more control and insight into their vehicle, smart adapters are an affordable and effective way to upgrade an older car with modern technology. Number 6. Parking sensors and cameras. Parking can be one of the most stressful aspects of driving, especially in crowded urban areas. Parking sensors and cameras make this task much easier and safer. Rear-view cameras have become standard in many cars, but advanced systems now offer 360-degree views, showing obstacles on all sides of the vehicle. Parking sensors provide audible warnings as the car approaches objects, helping drivers avoid collisions with walls, poles, or pedestrians. Some systems even offer automatic parking assistance, guiding the car into a tight spot with minimal input from the driver. These gadgets are particularly valuable for new drivers, those with larger vehicles, or anyone frequently navigating congested parking areas. Number 5. Tire pressure monitoring gadgets. Proper tire pressure is crucial for safety, fuel efficiency, and overall vehicle performance. Tire pressure monitoring gadgets allow drivers to keep track of their tires in real time. Many of these devices are easy to install, with sensors that fit directly onto tire valves and connect to a smartphone app via Bluetooth. Advanced models provide instant alerts if pressure drops suddenly or if a tire is overheating. This can prevent accidents caused by tire blowouts or uneven wear. Additionally, maintaining the correct tire pressure improves fuel efficiency and extends the life of tires, saving money over time. For drivers who prioritize safety and performance, tire pressure monitoring gadgets are an essential accessory. Number 4. Wireless charging pads. With smartphones being an essential part of daily life, keeping devices charged in the car is more important than ever. Wireless charging pads offer a simple solution by allowing drivers to charge their phones without messy cables. Most modern pads are compatible with a wide range of smartphones and support fast charging speeds. Many cars now come equipped with built-in wireless charging stations, but standalone pads can also be installed in vehicles without this feature. Some charging pads come with additional features like phone mounts or cooling systems to prevent overheating during long drives. A wireless charger ensures that your phone is always ready for navigation, calls, or entertainment without taking your attention away from the road. Number 3. Heads-up displays. Heads-up displays, or HUDs, are becoming increasingly popular as they allow drivers to see important information without taking their eyes off the road. A HUD projects speed, navigation directions, and alerts directly onto the windshield, keeping the driver focused and reducing distractions. Some advanced models in 2025 even integrate smartphone notifications, incoming calls, and traffic alerts into the display. HUDs are especially useful for night driving or navigating unfamiliar areas, as they provide real-time information in a glanceable format. By reducing the need to look down at a dashboard or phone, these displays improve both safety and convenience, making them an essential gadget for any modern vehicle. Number 2. Blind spot detection systems. Blind spots are one of the most dangerous areas around a car, often causing accidents during lane changes or merges. Blind spot detection systems are designed to monitor these areas using sensors or cameras and alert the driver when another vehicle is present. Modern systems in 2025 are highly accurate, offering both visual and audio alerts. Some advanced systems integrate with the car's dashboard display, showing a live feed or warning icon whenever a vehicle is detected in the blind spot. These systems can dramatically reduce the risk of side collisions, making driving on busy highways or city streets far safer. For families, commuters, and new drivers, blind spot detection is a must-have accessory. Number 1. Dash cameras. Dash cameras, or dash cams, have become almost a necessity for modern drivers. They record video footage of the road ahead, providing evidence in case of accidents, insurance disputes, or theft. In 2025, dash cams have evolved significantly from basic models. High-resolution cameras with wide-angle lenses can capture clear footage in both daylight and low-light conditions. Some models even offer dual cameras that record both the front and interior of the car, which is especially useful for rideshare drivers. Advanced dashcams come with features like motion detection, GPS tracking, and even AI-powered collision alerts. They can notify drivers of potential hazards, making roads safer for everyone. Beyond safety, dashcams also allow you to record scenic drives or memorable road trips, giving you a record of every journey. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more high-quality, engaging content.